Hello Keystone Investors, welcome back to another video. Today, we're venturing into a fascinating intersection of technology and tradition, the merging of agriculture and cryptocurrencies. Yes, you heard it right. Two sectors that seem worlds apart are actually coming together in what's often referred to as AgriTech Blockchain. In a world that's continuously adapting to technological advancements, even one of our oldest practices, agriculture, is not immune to this digital revolution. Imagine for a moment if the age-old agricultural practices got a technology upgrade. What if farmers could leverage the cutting-edge technology of cryptocurrencies and blockchain for better efficiency, transparency, and profitability? That's precisely what AgriTech Blockchain is all about. The fusion of agriculture and cryptocurrencies is a potential game changer for the entire agricultural landscape. By incorporating blockchain technology, cryptocurrencies, smart contracts, and decentralized finance principles into farming practices, AgriTech Blockchain is poised to address several critical challenges that have plagued this sector for years. But why does this matter to us as investors, consumers, and global citizens? Well, agriculture is an integral part of our lives, our economies, and our planet. Enhancing agricultural practices with blockchain technology could lead to fairer prices, better supply chain management, increased transparency, and could potentially revolutionize the way we grow, buy, and sell our food. In this video, we'll delve deeper into the world of AgriTech Blockchain, understand its significance, potential benefits, and why we need to pay close attention to this emerging sector. In order to fully appreciate the transformative potential of AgriTech Blockchain, it's essential that we first understand the challenges currently facing the traditional agriculture industry. Despite being a critical part of our economies and societies, farming has always grappled with a number of persistent issues. Now, one of the most significant of these is supply chain inefficiencies. The journey of produce from the farm to our plate is typically a long one, with multiple middlemen involved. Each stage adds costs and complexities and increases the potential for delays and waste. These inefficiencies not only eat into the farmer's profit, but they also mean we as consumers often end up paying more for our food. Secondly, there's the issue of transparency. It's difficult to trace the origin of food products and verify the authenticity of labels. This opacity can lead to problems such as food fraud, where inferior falsely labeled products are sold as high quality or organic. Consumers are often left in the dark about where their food comes from and how it's produced. Financial obstacles for small farmers are also another significant hurdle. Traditional banking systems often fail to provide necessary financial support to small-scale farmers due to perceived risk and lack of collateral. This leaves many farmers reliant on informal lenders who charge high interest rates, perpetuating a cycle of debt. And lastly, farmers, particularly those in developing countries, often lack access to global markets and are typically at the mercy of fluctuating prices. Without the ability to store their produce or access better markets, they're often compelled to sell at whatever price they're offered, resulting in low and unstable incomes. Now, these challenges paint a picture of an industry that's ripe for change. Now, as we move forward into our exploration of AgriTech Blockchain, keep these issues in mind, because they're the ones this technology is aiming to address. At its core, blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that allows for transparent and secure transactions. This technology, combined with cryptocurrencies and other blockchain-powered tools, can lead to remarkable innovations in agriculture. First up, let's discuss smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into lines of code. So how does this help agriculture? Well, imagine a farmer entering into an agreement with a buyer. A smart contract could be set up so that once the farmer delivers the produce, the agreed payment is automatically and instantly transferred to the farmer's digital wallet. This not only ensures a secure and trustless transaction, but can also eliminate delays and reduce dependency on intermediaries. Next, there's the concept of tokenization of agricultural assets. By representing real-world assets like farmland, crops, or livestock as digital tokens on a blockchain, farmers can access a range of financial services traditionally out of their reach. For instance, a small farmer could tokenize their future crop yield and sell it to investors to raise capital for the upcoming farming season. It could also enable fractional ownership, opening up opportunities for small-scale investments in farming. Finally, blockchain technology can facilitate decentralized marketplaces for agricultural products. These platforms can enable direct trade between producers and consumers, fostering a more equitable distribution of profits and giving consumers the chance to choose their products straight from the source. Moreover, the immutable nature of blockchain can provide full traceability of products, reducing the chances of food fraud and enhancing consumer trust. Now let's take a closer look at some specific cryptocurrencies that are designed with agriculture sector in mind. These agriculture cryptocurrencies bring the power of blockchain directly to the farmers and the farming industry, offering unique features and value propositions that can potentially revolutionize the sector. The first one on our list is AgriTech. This is a blockchain platform that aims to simplify the agricultural supply chain, connecting farmers directly with consumers and eliminating the need for intermediaries. AgriTech uses its native token for transactions with the platform, incentivizing user participation and ensuring a smoother, more efficient agricultural supply chain. Next, we have GrainChain, a blockchain initiative aiming to expedite the grain supply chain while providing transparency and security. Through smart contracts, GrainChain facilitates swift payments to farmers, reducing the time it typically takes for a farmer to receive payment for their produce. And lastly, there's PharmaTrust, a global tracking system that uses blockchain and AI to ensure transparency and compliance of agricultural and pharmaceutical products. Its system aims to eliminate fraud and counterfeit products, providing assurance to both consumers and regulators. Now remember, like all investments, cryptocurrencies come with their own set of risks. As the technology and regulatory landscape evolves, these cryptocurrencies may face their own set of challenges. That's why it's crucial to do research and consider your risk tolerance before diving in. With that said, the potential that these agricultural-focused cryptocurrencies present is truly exciting, and they signify a promising step towards a more efficient and transparent agricultural sector. Starting with farmers, one of the most prominent benefits is the potential for increased profits. By eliminating middlemen, reducing inefficiencies, and allowing for direct access to markets, farmers can command better prices for their produce and ensure that they are paid fairly and promptly. The use of smart contracts, for example, can lead to instant payments upon delivery, reducing the uncertainty and the delays farmers often face in traditional systems. Now, beyond financial benefits, blockchain can also offer farmers increased control and visibility over their supply chains. This means that they can track their produce from the field to the final consumer, allowing for better inventory management, reducing waste, and ensuring that their products are high quality and authentic. On the consumer side, the increased transparency blockchain brings can revolutionize the way we shop for our food. Imagine being able to scan a QR code on a product and instantly see its entire journey from the farm to the store. This level of transparency can help build trust and confidence, as consumers will know exactly where their food is coming from and how it was produced. The tokenization of agricultural assets could also potentially allow consumers to invest directly into farms and agricultural projects, fostering a closer connection between food production and consumption. However, like all transformative technologies, AgriTech Blockchain is not without its potential drawbacks. There's a considerable learning curve involved, and farmers in particular may require significant upskilling to understand how to use these new technologies. Furthermore, blockchain's promise of transparency hinges on the quality and the accuracy of the data entered into it. And there are still questions about who will verify this data and how. In addition, while eliminating intermediaries can lead to cost savings and efficiency gains, it can also result in job losses in these intermediary roles. And of course, with all things related with cryptocurrency, there are still questions about regulatory oversight and the volatility of the crypto market. Nevertheless, the potential benefits of AgriTech Blockchain are vast, and with careful navigation and informed understanding, farmers and consumers alike stand to gain significantly from this groundbreaking intersection of agriculture and blockchain technology. It's important to remember that we are still in the early stages of what could be a substantial shift in how the world grows, distributes, and consumes food. The future will likely to see more advancements as well as more complexities. In this constantly evolving landscape, understanding the nuances of AgriTech blockchain is crucial for anyone involved in the agricultural sector. And that brings us to the end of today's video. As always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Here at Keystone, we're all about empowering you to make well-informed investment decisions, and we appreciate your continuous support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.